Hey, it's Michael here, out here in the beautiful nature. I'm out here enjoying some time fishing with family. Just thought I'd make some time, about a minute or two. I'll give it about 5 minutes and then I'll get back. Not to take up too much of your time, but just a short message I want to send. We'll see, we're over here. Let me show you the area. How to move away for a second. Let me show you where we are, and then we'll get right to it. Just walk with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Amigos. Tayo na YouTube.
Facebook Live. Facebook Live. You can see back there where the fishing rods. My dad on the far end. I got my uncle on the near end to the right. And I'm just kind of walking back this way, just to kind of get away from them, because I don't know about you, but when I go fishing or when I'm ever out here in nature, it's a time for me to reflect. It's a time for me to, as you can see, things getting on my shoulder. It's a time for me to reflect. It's a time for me to get away from life. It's a time for me to observe and get back to that state where I'm observing more than being in a reaction state. This is very important for each and every single one of you, to find what brings you peace. The big reason why I'm not going to be here for too long talking is because it's a time for me where I just stay quiet. We're talking back and forth, but a lot of that is me being quiet because it's my time to reflect. It's my time to just listen. Okay, so whatever it is you're doing this weekend, find that peace of mind. Let me show you the water here. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of water out there. Fishes are biting. When I got here, they had already caught like 15 fishes, and now we're on about 22 or so. And I can see over here, saw a little bubble, meaning there's some fishies right there hiding. We're gathering, congregating, right? It's kind of like the concept of online. Like when you go online, where do you find people? Where are they congregating? Right? What kind of bait do you use to reel the right type of fish in? And that's all important. That's all what happens online is you figure out who you're going for, and then you figure out where they're congregating. You find out what type of bait you're going to use to attract them. But that's not what I want to talk. I don't want to talk about business at this moment. More so reflection. Think about, I'm over here with sunglasses on. Yes, it's been sunny. It doesn't get sunny. So I'm just kind of in my own place, as I said. But find a place of reflection this weekend, and then keep working at the things you're doing. Don't put things off that you can do for today, for tomorrow, okay? Don't wait till Monday to come around and then you do what you want to do, and then you try, but it just doesn't work. Or you put it off for another day or two. What's really helpful for me is self-reflection. So find self-reflection, find peace, and do the things you need to do this weekend. And those are the things with affiliate marketing and any other business model that I want to share with you is find reflection in what you do. Reflection before you start working on your business. If it takes you to go into the water, if it takes you to go boating, it takes you to go hiking, if it takes whatever that is, that calling for you, whatever that activity, Go out there and do more of it, and then come back and you'll find that peace. Every one of us needs a break. It's just understanding how to efficiently use our time. All right, so that's everything from this video, guys. Thanks for watching, being here live. If you were watching this on the replay, amazing. I love you guys. Keep striving for excellence and don't let up, because your time it's now. Okay.